what is the cost of fish? Again, we're talking about a small little system. So I've got little goldfish in here, which I just bought feeder fish, frankly. I went down to my local aquarium and had a look, and they had 20 feeder fish for $30. Yeah, about 20 fish, little goldfish, and they will get bigger. And I have plans for what happens when they do get bigger. It just depends on their sizing. But at the moment, as I've only got the small system growing, because it's fairly new, it's growing, providing enough nutrients for these. We're going to say when, because I guarantee you're probably going to get hooked on this. A lot of people will jump straight into building a big system and they won't understand how it all works. They won't understand the flow of it, how you've got to look after the fish, just the real basics. But because they're not understanding that, they'll spend a lot of money, build a big system, spend a lot of money on things, and have problems. That's why I'm suggesting build a little system, get used to how it works, how great it is, how powerful it is, and then you're ready for the next step to then go a bit bigger. In the bigger systems, and I'm just going to give you the information so that you are aware, you can still buy small fish that are going to grow into bigger fish or bigger fish. Okay, so you can. I've got fish in there that at the moment that are what we call plate size, so 500 odd grams in my larger aquaponics system. The cost of those, if you buy them small, is a lot cheaper than if I buy them bigger. That's always going to be the case. If you buy something small, you don't have the same cost as when it grows bigger. You've just got the cost of the feed to get it bigger. So these little goldfish, they will get bigger, and some of them will get, some of them will get nice and big, and some of them, probably only about that big. And in which case I have plans for what I'm going to do. But we must remember, from little things, big things do grow. Okay, so while my little goldfish are small at the moment, they will get bigger. They are feeder fish. It's the cheapest fish that I could buy, and I often get them for my turtles, which is another plan that I have if I'm going to do that way. It's a great little pet for your kids though, and you don't have to spend $20 buying the big fish. You can get them and they can watch them grow. It's an awesome way of being able to learn. But everything is always relative. So little goldfish, no, they're not expensive. If you want to put some guppies in there, well, one guppy, it's about an inch long, can cost about $6 depending on where you get it from. Everything's relative. Okay, the silver perch that I bought, I got them when they were about an inch, and it was $120 for 100. Okay, now if I went and wanted to buy them at this, even at this size, they'd be $4 each. Of course, I've had to deal with getting them from being babies to bigger. And it's okay, because I love watching things grow, so I had no trouble doing that. But, it's up to you how you choose to go. But for little things, so much easier, and they're not that expensive. And think about the money you're going to save on your veggies, as well as entertainment for the kids and you. Let's not rule you out, because I'm sure you're going to have fun watching them. It's so fun when they're all coming up to feed.